Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the measurement of strength of acidic and basic solution. And as we know, on the basis of strength, these acidic solutions and basic solutions are of two types. First is called as strong acid and second is called as strong base. Even the solution of these two substances or these two acids and bases, these are not इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग. जो हमारे पास सॉल्यूशंस आएंगे स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड के या स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस के, इनकी जो स्ट्रेंथ होगी दैट इज़ आल्सो नॉट इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो देन on what factor or on which factor does the strength depend? So the strength will depend on the nature of acid and base. First of all, it will depend on nature of acid and base, and second factor is the extent of dilution. कितना परसेंट हमने एसिड या बेस के सॉल्यूशन को क्या किया है, डाइल्यूट किया है. इट विल आल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन एक्सटेंट ऑफ डाइल्यूशन. मोर डाइल्यूट है, लेस डाइल्यूट है. अगर लेस डाइल्यूट है इट मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा होगी तो इसका नेचर कैसा आ जाएगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर हमने उसको ज़्यादा डाइल्यूट कर दिया है तो उसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज. इट मीन्स द गिवन एसिड और बेस बिकम वीकर इन नेचर. सो नाउ we have the method for measurement of acidic and basic strength. So acidic and basic strength can be determined by using universal indicator. First method is by using universal indicator. So first question arises here is that what are universal indicator? This question can come in your exam in the form of multiple choice. What is universal indicator? तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? It is a mixture of number of indicators. It is a mixture of a large number of indicators and it shows different colors in the pH values at different pH. हमारे पास ये pH चार्ट आ जाएगा. इसमें हर pH के ऊपर जो सब्सटेंस का कलर होगा, कलर के अंदर वेरिएशन आ जाएंगी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डार्क रेड टू violet color. If the solution is completely dark red, it means the given substance is very strong acid. When the intensity of color changes from dark red to red, then red, orange yellow to greenish and finally green, it means at this pH 7 the substance is said to be neutral in nature. As intensity of color decreases from red to green, acidic strength also decreases and pH will increases. From 7 to 14 onwards, it was observed that intensity of color now goes on increasing from green to greenish blue, then blue up to violet. It means यहाँ पर जितना कलर डार्क होगा it means सब्सटेंस का नेचर उतना ही कैसा आ जाएगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक. सो the basic strength increases from pH 7 to 14. Clear? Now it can be measured simply by dipping the universal pH paper into the solution. Suppose हमारे पास कोई solution है, इस solution की सिंगल ड्रॉप लेके हम किसके ऊपर डाल देंगे, pH पेपर. solution की ड्रॉप से यहाँ पर कुछ कलर डेवलप होगा, उस कलर को हम pH चार्ट से मैच करेंगे, ठीक है, एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट द अप्रोक्सीमेट pH. लेकिन इसके अंदर एक पॉइंट क्या है, इस मेथड की हेल्प से जो यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर जो pH पेपर स्ट्रिप का मेथड है, इस मेथड की हेल्प से हमारे पास अप्रोक्सीमेट pH आती है, एक्यूरेट वैल्यू हमारे पास यहाँ पर नहीं आती, ठीक है. सेकंड मेथड यूज्ड फॉर दिस मेजरमेंट ऑफ एसिडिक एंड बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ इज द pH मीटर. सेकंड मेथड इज यूज्ड फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ एसिडिक एंड बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ इज द pH मीटर. सो दिस pH मीटर नाउ गिव्स द not approximate but it will gives the accurate values of pH of the solution. Approximate values are given by universal indicator or pH paper strip, but this pH meter gives the accurate values of pH of the given solution. So this method is more useful as compared to the universal indicator method. Next is what is the role of pH in everyday life. Very important topic is this. What is the role of pH in everyday life? फर्स्ट है इन बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम दैट इज़ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आएगा इसके अंदर इन ह्यूमंस एंड एनिमल्स. एज वी नो इन ह्यूमंस एंड एनिमल्स most of the reactions takes place in our body in the narrow pH range from 7.0 to 7.8. means this pH range is said to be slightly alkaline in nature. The pH range is said to be slightly alkaline. For example, human blood, tears, saliva, pH lies nearly to 7.4. So when this pH of the blood or the mouth falls from 7.4, so when the pH falls from 7.4 to 7.0 or rises above 7.8, if the pH falls from 7.4 to 7.0, this is called as a fall in pH. or if it raises to 7.8, this is the rise in pH. In that case, survival of the organisms according to this pH becomes difficult. They cannot survive in this and this pH. ठीक है, human can survive or human animals can survive in this pH रेंज 7.0 to 7.8 मेंशन है, बट दिस 7.0 से अगर फॉल होती है या 7.8 तक इंक्रीज होती है pH, तो वहाँ पर सर्वाइवल रेट क्या हो जाएगा, डिफ़िकल्ट, बिकॉज humans and animals are most stable in this pH range. Their survival is most stable in this pH range. For example, suppose we have some aquatic animals which lives in water. Aquatic animals consider कर सकते हैं, aquatic हम plants consider कर सकते हैं. Now these aquatic animals and plants survive in water and that water have pH in the range of 7.4. ठीक है, but if this pH decreases up to 5.6, if this pH of aquatic animals and plants surviving in the water, if the pH of that water decreases from 7 to 5.6 or 7.4 to 5.6, it means the water here becomes acidic in nature. वाटर का नेचर कैसा आ जाएगा, एसिडिक. सो in that case the pH of rainwater falls below 7.6. When the pH of rainwater falls below 5.6, in that case the water is said to be acidic in nature. अब वाटर का नेचर कैसा आ जाएगा, एसिडिक, because of acid rain. So due to this acid rain water, the aquatic animals are unable to survive because the pH in that case falls below 5.6. So aquatic animal survival becomes difficult in such type of water which is acidic in nature. Next is plants. How plants survive? Plants also survives in slightly alkaline pH. Okay, plants also survive in slightly alkaline pH. The pH of the soil can be checked. So for the better survival of plants, first of all we will check the pH of soil. How can we check? Suppose we have taken small amount of soil of the given field and add some water into it. अब हमने यहाँ पर soil के साथ किसको मिक्स कर दिया है, water को, by noting its pH either with the help of pH meter or with the help of universal indicator or pH paper strip, but the best method is pH meter. Now put few drops of this soil solution on this strip and note the color or match the color with the pH chart. If the pH is found between 7 to 7.4, it means this type of soil is best for the growth of plant. If the pH does not lies in this range, if it is less than 7 or more than 7, इट मीन्स अगर हमारे पास सॉइल का नेचर एसिडिक आ गया या फिर कैसा आ गया, एल्कलाइन और बेसिक, तो इस टाइप की सॉइल के अंदर प्लांट की ग्रोथ ऑब्जर्व नहीं होगी. सो नेक्स्ट इज़ द रोल ऑफ पीएच इन ह्यूमंस इन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. रोल ऑफ पीएच इन ह्यूमन इन डाइजेस्टिव system. As we know, our body secrete a gastric juice named as hydrochloric acid, and the pH of this hydrochloric acid in our stomach lies from 1.0 to 1.2. The pH of this hydrochloric acid in our stomach ranges from 1.0 to 1.2. Sometimes we can consider it is at 3.0. If the pH falls to this level, अगर pH 1.0 से क्या हो चुकी है, less. If the pH falls below 1.0, it means the person will suffer from the problem of acidity. He will feel burning sensation. ठीक है. Okay students, role of pH in digestive system. As you know, our stomach secrete a gastric juice named as hydrochloric acid, whose pH lies between range of 1.0 to 3.0. When the pH range falls from 1.0 by eating of too much spicy food daily, in that case pH falls below 1.0 and person will suffer from burning sensation. Such type of problem is termed as acidity. If we don't eat such spicy food, in that case this hydrochloric acid is useful for us. It is useful for us because this HCl does not harm the stomach as it has a special lining of protective material. जो हमारे stomach की inner linings होती है, that is made of protective material, and it was not harmed by hydrochloric acid. But this hydrochloric acid is useful for us because it help in killing the harmful bacteria present in the food we eat. अगर हम कुछ खाना खाते हैं, सपोज उसके अंदर कुछ बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट है, तो ये हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड स्टमक के अंदर बैक्टीरिया क्या कर देगा, किल कर देगा एंड प्रिवेंट अस फ्रॉम वेरियस काइंड ऑफ डिसीजेज. बट ईटिंग ऑफ टू मच स्पाइसी फूड decrease the pH below 1.0, so it will produce acidity in the stomach. Such type of problem occurs when the person will feel sharp pain or irritation in the stomach. If the person suffers from sharp pain, means very acute pain, and with irritation, it means the problem is termed as acidity, and this acidity can be cured by using of antacid. Antacids are the medicines which are used to neutralize the acid present in the stomach, and the composition of this antacid, these are mainly consist of magnesium hydroxide, also called as milk of magnesia. Simply it is named as magnesium hydroxide, formula is MgOH twice. This magnesium hydroxide is generally a base which combines with acid of the stomach, therefore resulting in formation of salt and water by the process of neutralization. The reaction in which acid and base combines to form salt and water, such type of reaction is called as neutralization.